Hey everyone, Emboss gives you the ability to create a raised or recessed feature from a profile. To use Emboss, you should have a text and a solid that you want to create the emboss on. The solid is already created, so let's create the text. First, I'll offset a plane to create the text on. Note you do not need an offsetted plane, however the plane makes it easier to see the text. Now let's create a text. The text is where you can control the height, the font, and the position, whereas the emboss tool just adds or subtracts material based off the text's profile. Now I'm going to rotate the text into place to get it ready to be embossed. I'll also move the text towards the center as well. Next, let's select the Emboss tool under the 3D Model tab. First, we are prompted to select the profile or text that we want to emboss. Then we can choose whether we want to add material starting from the surface, take away material from the surface, or add material starting from the plane the text is on. The depth specifies the distance in which the material will be added or subtracted. These options allow us to choose the direction in which it will emboss. Notice how the emboss comes out a little bit more normal to the plane we created it on, rather than normal to the surface. To fix that, we just need to select Wrap to Face and choose the face for it to be wrapped around, and then the emboss will be normal to the surface instead of the plane. Also, we can really emphasize the text by changing the color of the emboss with the Top Face Appearance tool. This tool works whether we are adding material as well as if we are subtracting material. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.